Little storyteller.
Leo loved playing in Sunny Meadow Park. He would run and laugh, chasing butterflies with bright yellow wings. One sunny afternoon, Leo was eating a yummy, juicy apple. When he finished, he threw the apple core on the soft green grass and ran off to play with a bright red ball. That night, Leo had a dream. In his dream, the tall green trees of Sunny Meadow Park looked very sad. Their leaves drooped down like they were crying. A fluffy brown bunny hopped slowly by, carrying a crumpled piece of paper in its mouth. A little bluebird, with shiny feathers, struggled to lift an empty plastic bottle. Leo watched as the sad trees and the tired animals slowly cleaned up all the trash that people had left behind. The fluffy bunny picked up Leo's apple core. The little bluebird carried a candy wrapper. The sparkling river in the park looked murky and filled with plastic bags. Leo felt a little pinch in his heart. He didn't want the trees and animals to be sad and tired because of his trash. When Leo woke up, the sun was shining brightly. He quickly got dressed and ran to Sunny Meadow Park. He looked around and saw a bright orange juice box lying near a big oak tree. He picked it up and carried it to a blue trash can with a happy face painted on it. Then he saw a banana peel near a bush with pretty pink flowers. He picked that up too. From that day on, Leo always made sure to put his trash in the bin. Sometimes he even helped pick up other people's trash too. The trees in Sunny Meadow Park looked greener and happier. The fluffy brown bunnies hopped with joy, and the little bluebirds sang sweet songs. The sparkling river flowed cleanly, reflecting the bright blue sky. Leo learned that keeping nature clean makes everyone, even the trees and animals, happy. Look! It's a ladybug with 7 black spots. Ladybugs are nature's little helpers, and they love to eat tiny bugs that can harm plants. Keeping our parks clean helps all the little helpers stay healthy and happy too.
Please subscribe. Thank you.